Hello friends, my name is Tushar and in brief I will give you my introduction. I have total 30 plus years experience. Out of that 15 years I have the experience into maintenance of instrumentation and control, and for another 15 years I have experience of planning and scheduling. So today I am going to talk about planning and scheduling with the assumption that you people are at least having the idea about planning, but they are in need of some tool, that is Primavera P6. However, I will try my level best, and believe me, I will satisfy all your requirements. Even if it is a new beginner, I will even give you some ideas about how to plan at the later stage. So as a first step, we have to first install the Primavera. Now Oracle has given the permission for individuals to download their official software without the need of purchasing it on their cloud, only for the study purpose. So let me explain you how to get that software right on your computer. So this is my web. This is the web page, Chrome. Let me open the Google. So this I have opened Google. I will say e-delivery Oracle. This you have to remember. E-delivery, write down Oracle. Very slowly I have written. Everybody can see. Now I'll say enter. Then you see Oracle Software Delivery Cloud, then Oracle Software Download, Oracle India, downloading the software, Oracle Help Center, and so on. So we have to go to the first website here, which is Oracle Software Delivery Cloud. Now I am clicking on this first link, and you can see such a nice page will open after you go to this website. Now I have already made the account and it is live. See, once you have the account, you need not do it again and again. But if you don't have the account at least once, that is for the first time, you have to make the account. So first, let us assume that you don't have account. So create account. I will press the create account. So in the create account, such a form will open. Sorry, create your Oracle account, email ID, password, retype password, country where you are staying at present, then your name, last name, job title, work phone, company name, address of company, city of company, then province. If you are in United States, province, or otherwise state or whatever it is. Say I am from India, I am staying in Mumbai, so I will say Mumbai, and city is Mumbai, and the province is Mumbai, and zip code will be 410210, and then simply say create account. After saying all these things, Primavera will give you within 1 hour or sometime instantaneously access to its website. But sometime it takes 1 day, that is 24 hours maximum, for your account to become live. And only after your account is live, you can you can use the facility of download from Oracle original software. So let's assume that everybody has the account, right? And let's go back to our first page. See, friends, it's very simple. I tell you, it's very, very simple. If you stay with me for 5 to 6 hours, believe me, I will make you so confident and so knowledgeable in your fields that at least you can take control of initial stage, and later you will keep on adding your knowledge, because knowledge is a dynamic. Every day it changes, something new we are learning, right? So sign in. I have the account, so I will put sign in. I will say sign in. So my account will open after I sign in. This is my password, I have already saved. So it is asking the pin because I am using my saved password. See, okay. This is my email ID and password. Password is also saved. So it has come. Sign in. So one can see email ID. Okay. So Oracle will send two-stage verification for the first time. So now let me check my email in the mobile. Okay, so my password I got it. Okay, now verify. So my account has opened. Something like this will open. Now we have to just write here Primavera P6, Primavera Professional Management, Professional Project Management. Okay, so after writing Primavera Professional Professional Project Management, you can see there are several softwares. See, these are various versions of software. So at present, we will just concentrate on only one latest software that is given by Primavera as of today, that is 24.12.0.0.0. So I'm just putting a click on it. Again, there will be opening up several other possibilities. Professional project management. So I am just clicking first as a beginning. We don't need other olden version of the software, or at present we don't need the portfolio management, or we don't want the at present documentation and so on. Our intention is to work on the Primavera. Then simply come here, say continue. After you come to continue, you can see it is 300 MB file. And what is the platform language? It has detected that Microsoft Windows x64 64-bit is my system. In case if the Primavera is unable to detect which is your system, then there will be some choices given by Primavera, this page. And then you drag down and then you select your own platform and then simply say continue. Once you say continue, then such page will open, that is conditions and restrictions, as already I have discussed in very brief, that you cannot do the any license misuse of their official terms and conditions. Okay, and then you have to say that I accept, I read and expect all the conditions. Then you say continue. After continue, it will give you list of some programs. All are 24. Out of that again, see, I don't want to document, so I will just remove this. Okay. Then I don't want the P6 professional database required, integration required, professional application required, and this for Microsoft professional project management. Okay, so these three files are mandatory. So I will download it. When you are having time, you can download other software as well. So it is so fast that it has downloaded in the system. It has come. Now I will simply sign out. Let me check whether it is downloaded or not. Last, yeah, it is downloaded. You can see this is the downloaded. This was earlier, very early stage. When I was explaining to some other student, then at that time this was there. Sign out for the safety. Now I am closing this window and let me go to my download website, download page where these files are stored. So this is my download, and this one is the required file. Now here you have to remember that if you don't want into download, then you have Primavera has given you choice to download this anywhere in your directory and install it anywhere. So that is your personal choice. But as I have the download to be kept into the download, so I am keeping in the download. There is no harm to keep any other folder. And if you write here download Primavera P6, for example, download P6, then it will generate in download P6 folder, and then other file will automatically go into it. This additional folder will be generated by Primavera. See, now I will show you. Okay, now it is downloading. It is very fast. Of course, based on internet speed, but nowadays everybody is having good internet speed, and those days have gone that you have to wait in queue for the download progress, right? So this way you can download it. Now, couple of seconds, just couple of seconds. Wait. Okay. Now you can see here, complete, complete, complete. Now you have to say open destination. So where it will go? Anybody can judge? It will go into P6. You can see it is in download P6. If I go one stage ahead, that is, I will say go up, then it is in download. See, download P6 folder. It was not present, but I have generated it Primavera in with the use of Primavera. Now let's open this. Now this file is having some details about installation. So what we do, we will first of all, these are all in the form of WinRAR, that is compressed file. So we'll say extract all. Extract name will be given again download P6, and this is the name by default it has taken. You can change it if you want, and I will say extract. Now it is extracting. So now this is for the first file. So this one, if you go, then you can see install. So these are all installation this one softwares. Then let's go to disk 2. File 2. File 2 is this file. 03 is done. Right click it. Say extract all. Now it will give you the extract location. Simply say extract. See, it has extracted. P6 project management. P6 setup. Okay. Window installer package. See, inside also if there is any now here you can see this is again a WinRAR. So we have to say extract all. Okay, extract. There has to be no single file into the software which is having the compressed version. Now our job is done. Here you have done everything. Now simply see Primavera P6 icon and double click it. It will ask for the which type of installation you want. So I want a typical type. Advanced is not required for the beginners. I will say typical. So it will give you the best quality. It's not typical means something average. Okay. Now I will say install. So it will take the permission of my computer whether I should change it. I will say okay. So now it is installing. Wait. It will show the progress. We have to wait. Okay, now we have to say standalone database and run database configuration. So we will use run database configuration, remember. And by default also it is default also run database configuration selected. So I will say okay. I will say okay. Then here it is very important, my friend. Generally here, if you see, then Oracle will be written and something like this page will come. You can take the screenshot of this page. Please take screenshot. Otherwise, you will be in trouble. Everybody, please take screenshot. Thank you. Now we will go. So here by default it will come Oracle and some other window connection string. But we will select the last choice. P6 Professional Standalone SQLite. This is then add standalone database and connection. Add a connection to existing standalone database. I will say add a new connection. Okay. After that, add new connection next. These are the credentials. So I will put my password as admin. Put the password very simple. Admin. Okay. Why to put admin? Because it should be simple. This software anyway nobody is going to open unless he has access to your computer. So no need to give access to your computer. Nowadays everybody is having fingertip, and you guys are young guys are very expert in making your computer secret. So no need to worry later on double security and 3 times security. Anyway, then base currency it will ask. So you have certain choices. This is a description and here abbreviations are there, and here you can see dollar is there. So one can go next directly because these Indian rupees I have checked, it is not available. So we have to put dollar, and similarly dirham and other currency is also not available. So I'm putting here save and then save. Simple, I have to say save and done. See, your software installation is over. Very simple. See, it says saved successfully. Now we have to run the test. Test whether the software is running okay or not. Test. Yes, text connection is successful. So simply say okay. Now where is our software? Correct? Where is our software? Where to search? Okay. I'm closing this. All the windows I'm closing. Okay. All the windows I'm closing. But where is my software? Don't worry, friend. See, come to your search engine. Write down P6 Professional 24 this app. It should write app. Here also P6 is there, but there is no downside app, APP app application. These are still to be converted to app. You remember we have downloaded 3 files. So these two are other files. But I am not concentrating. It is also similar, but we are just now interested into Primavera. So this is app. Now I am double clicking on it. Okay. So such window will open. But before that, let me tell you something. Why it is not opening? Oh my God. Sometime it happens. Control Alter Delete Task Manager, and I will say Primavera P6 service as end task. Primavera cache service. We have to clear the cache that is required. Cache earlier Primavera software's memory should be erased, right? So I'm sorry for that, forgetting. Now what we will do? We will sorry, not here. In the search box, we'll write P6. P6. Best way is Professional 24. Right click to this app and then say pin to start or pin to taskbar. Pin to start bar. Now it has come over here, taskbar. This is very easy to access for the next time. So it has come over here. Now one can also use one more trial to make a shortcut. But first let us go to Primavera P20. See, it will come like this. What was the login name given by Primavera? It was admin. I remember, and capital because it is a case sensitive. And my password is admin but small letter. ADMIN, lowercase letter. I will say connect. Once I say connect, and now a beautiful scene will open. See, this alarm will always come unless and until you say the type of industry. We will see this in coming lectures. See, such programs will come. Now, how to open the particular program that I will show you, and then we will stop here for Primavera installation process. Open. For example, I want engineering and construction project. So Primavera has already done certain project for our ready-made use, and some users also modify it after they study it. Okay, and now how to use it, that I will tell you later. So this is how one can install the Primavera. Very simple, very straight and official for single person as an educational background for the education purpose. Okay, thank you.